So I want to talk about manifesting. And this is part of self-care and self-love because when we feel good, we are loving ourselves ideally. And now somebody else mentioned this in talking before. All those emotions that I talked about in the past of honoring them and letting them go, and then cultivating the good feelings. The reasons are not just for your physical health and for your emotional health, but they're for the ability to manifest. And when I was talking about the first thing I do in the morning, Carol and some other people here have done the manifesting programs that I have. And the first thing we do in the morning when we're half awake and before we go to sleep, right when we're on the edge of falling asleep, when we're in that subconscious level, we do the manifestation ritual. So feeling good, that's when you want to do it, or when you are right waking up or right going to bed. The other time you do the manifestation ritual is when you're doing something of habit and add it to your habit, that happy habit stacking. If you've read the book, um, Atomic Habits. So say you brush your teeth every morning, you go to the bathroom and you brush your teeth when you wake up. That's part of a habit for you. Right there, you can do maybe 3 things you're grateful for, 3 things that you're appreciating, and put in your mind what you want to bring into your world. What do you want to bring into your day? Adding that as a habit, stacking that habit. What are you wanting to manifest in the world? What do you want to bring in? What do you want to have? Habit stack that. Okay, what else do you do as a habit? You drink a glass of water. Now when you have a glass of water, when you pour it, you can say words like joy, tranquility, order, trust, openness, sincerity, those virtues. You can say, I am happy and joyful today. And these are the things I'm manifesting. And the vibration gets right into that water. And you drink the water and think those things. So you're habit stacking right there. So every time you do something you do every day, like sitting down, ideally, you take a deep breath and you exhale as you sit down. And when you're getting up, take a deep breath and you exhale as you're getting up. Hopefully that's a habit already. Or anytime you lift something a little bit heavy, you take a deep breath and you exhale as you lift it. Well, when you do this exhaling of lifting, exhaling of standing, boom, habit stack. I'm manifesting this. I am a very healthy person. I am a successful writer. I am a wonderful, successful business coach. These habit stacking moments that you already do some habits, automatically you put in that I am statement of what you're manifesting. There's so much more to this, and I invite you to come to the manifesting classes that I do. You can check it out when we have the winter solstice. There's a 3-day manifesting program, and everyone here can have 50% off of that. You can contact me on my email to learn more. So for manifesting now, I just invite you to do the healing things I've taught you of honoring the emotions and then tonifying, bringing more of those virtues. And when you do, and you're feeling good, high vibration, that's when you say the I am statements, not when you're like, oh, I feel so horrible. I am wealthy. I am, a big bestseller author. No, when you're feeling good, that's when you do this in the higher vibration. So I invite you to say I am statements as if they've already happened. I am in your good feeling, and on the exhales and on anything you do ritually in your morning. Okay, and this is all that I have for today. We're going to end with a quick Facebook breakout room because not everybody got enough time with those fun people that they know.